Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best die cut machine, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Crafter's Companion Gemini 2 Automatic Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. If you're a serious crafter or just diving into the world of die cutting, the Crafter's Companion Gemini 2 is an absolute game changer. Right out of the box, it's ready to roll, literally. Setup is a breeze, and thanks to its glide function feat, moving it around your workspace is effortless. What really stands out? Speed and silence. Compared to other machines I've used, the Gemini 2 is noticeably faster and quieter, which makes marathon crafting sessions way more enjoyable. Whether I'm cutting intricate designs in heavyweight cardstock or layering fabrics for quilt appliques, the results are always clean, sharp, and professional. The 9x 12.5-inch active surface area gives you plenty of space to work with, especially when tackling larger projects. Plus, the high-pressure system ensures edge-to-edge precision, no awkward partial cuts here. It's also compatible with most metal dies and embossing folders, so no need to reinvest in new accessories. From vinyl to foil and fabric, the versatility is unmatched. It's clear this machine was designed by crafters, for crafters. Whether you're making cards, home decor, or gifts, the Gemini 2 elevates every project with ease. Number 4. BiraBira Adjustable Manual Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. The BiraBira Adjustable Die Cutting and Embossing Machine is a must-have for crafters who crave precision, versatility, and convenience, all in one compact package. With its sleek white finish and thoughtful design, it fits beautifully into any craft room and folds down neatly when not in use. Yes, it's that space-saving. What really makes this machine shine is the adjustable height gear system. No more fiddling with complicated mat combos or guessing which layers to use. Just a quick twist, and you're set for whatever material you're working with, whether it's steel rule dies, embossing folders, or intricate acid etch dies from any leading brand. The crank handle features a soft grip that's easy on the hands, while suction cups on the base keep it solidly in place while you work, zero slipping, even during high-pressure passes. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned crafters. Included are 15 essential components, so you can start crafting beautiful cards, scrapbook layouts, home decor, or even fabric-based designs right out of the box. From its smart design to its high-quality steel build, this machine truly delivers. Whether you're creating for fun, business, or both, the BiraBira will quickly become your go-to crafting companion. And with a no-risk satisfaction guarantee, you've got nothing to lose except limits on your creativity. Number 3. Griffin Empress Mini Electric Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. Small in size but mighty in performance, the Griffin Empress Mini is a powerhouse die cutting and embossing machine that delivers big results. This sleek, compact tool is designed for crafters who want top-tier performance without sacrificing space. Whether you're a card-making pro or just getting started, this machine is pure crafting joy. The Empress Mini doesn't just cut, it glides. It handles every die with ease, slicing through layers like butter, even when fully loaded. You'll be amazed at the precision and consistency. No tearing, no do-overs, just flawless results every time. And yes, it's whisper quiet, so you can enjoy peaceful, uninterrupted crafting. One of the standout features is the strong, thick magnetic mat, which holds your dies firmly in place. No more annoying shifting mid-cut. That means less tape, less hassle, and way more creativity. Plus, the durable plates resist warping even after hundreds of passes, making this a long-lasting addition to your craft room. Perfect for holiday cards, intricate embellishments, or year-round DIY projects, the Empress Mini is as elegant and reliable as the brand behind it. It's compact enough to take on the go, yet powerful enough to handle serious projects. Number 2. Find Scrapblooms A4 Manual Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. If you're looking for a die-cutting machine that combines charm, function, and versatility, the Find Scrapblooms A4 Manual Die Cutting and Embossing Machine might just be your new favorite crafting buddy. Don't let the cute, portable design fool you. This little powerhouse is ready to tackle all your card making, scrapbooking, and journaling projects with ease. Right out of the box, you're fully equipped to get started. With 10 colorful cardstock sheets, dies, clear stamps, embossing folders, and multiple cutting plates, it's practically a full crafting kit bundled into one. It's ideal for beginners, but seasoned crafters will love the 9-inch wide opening, which easily handles A4 size paper and a wide variety of dies and folders. Made from 100% new ABS material, this machine is solid, durable, and built to last, even if it takes a tumble. Plus, the foldable design makes it easy to store or take on the go for crop nights or crafting with friends. The embossing and die cutting instructions are simple and clearly laid out, so you'll be creating textured designs and custom cutouts in no time. Whether you're making holiday cards or decorating your planner, this machine opens up a whole new world of creativity. Number 1. Sizzix Sidekick Portable Die Cutting and Embossing Machine Starter Kit. The Sizzix Sidekick may be small, but it packs a serious punch for anyone who loves crafting on the go. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paper artist, this compact and portable machine is the ideal sidekick, pun intended, for card making, scrapbooking, party planning, and quick creative bursts. It comes with a complete starter kit, which means you're not just getting a machine, you're getting everything you need to dive right into your next project. From thinlits and framelits dies to embossing folders, it's the perfect launchpad for any paper craft. One of the best features? The vacuum seal base. This clever little detail keeps your machine steady and stable while you crank. No slipping, no frustration. It handles everything from lightweight cardstock to patterned paper like a pro, and the 6.35 centimeters cutting width is surprisingly versatile for tags, embellishments, labels, and more. At under a kilo in weight, the Sidekick is light enough to toss in your craft bag and take anywhere, but durable enough to handle project after project. It's the perfect tool for quick tasks without setting up a full-size machine. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.